Hey everyone, Collector Cousin over here, and today we'll be opening up 11 booster packs from the new Roaring Skies Pokemon set. So I am going to be weighing these packs, so I'm expecting very good pulls. So let's hope for the best. Okay, I'm going to put this camera down, and let's start with the Mega Rayquaza pack. So I got my scale over here. It's a simple gram scale. Okay. Got Mega Rayquaza over here, and this is a Mega Latios, or Latios pack. And this booster pack weighs 20.28 grams, so pretty heavy. And together with this, it weighs 29.65 grams. So I think it's the heaviest booster pack that I got. So I'm expecting very good pull. Maybe even a full art. I'm struggling with this. Okay, here's a code card for all of you. Please like and subscribe if you like these types of videos. And I will be getting a booster box fairly soon. And when I do get it, I will make an unboxing video. So I'm just going to rush through this. Hawlucha, and I already see something in the back. Wingull, Inkay, Togepi, Execute, Unfezant, Fletchinder, Altaria, Reverse Bagon, and a Mega Rayquaza EX. Oh my gosh. See, so weighing packs definitely does pay off. I was hoping for full art, but this is great. Hopefully you can see this. It's in focus. There we go. Very nice pull. So I'm going to sleeve this up. And there we go. One EX card. And I think I might split this video up into two parts. We'll see how it goes. So this is the Mega Latios pack. It weighs, let's see, wait, sorry, but it weighs 29.47 grams. So it's a bit lighter. Might get an EX, we might not. And this booster pack weighs 20.2 grams. Just rounding it up. It's a Deoxys Pack. That didn't go quite as well as I thought it would. I'm going to save some code cards for myself. Let's see. Dratini, Cascoon, Hawlucha, Wingull, Inkay, Tranquil, Gliscor, Gallade Spirit Link, Reverse Hawlucha, and oh my gosh, I got full art. It wasn't the heaviest pack, so they don't have to be the heaviest packs to get you good cards. So Mega Gallade EX. This card looks amazing. It's one of my favorite Mega Evolutions in Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire. And my computer just went to sleep. So that's great. Move these packs to the side. And now let's open up the Mega Gallade pack. This weighs 29.51 grams. And the booster pack by itself is a bit heavier. No, it's the same weight, 20.18. Okay, let's see if we get another EX. Okay, sorry for the cut, my camera ran out of memory. So let's continue. Inkay, Natu, Half Art, Togepi, Fletchling, Tropius, Steven, Executor, Pikachu Reverse, and the Swallow Half Art Ancient Trait card. Not bad. It's a holo. I'll take it. So I think I'm going to open one more booster pack. It's going to be the Deoxys pack. So I opened up one of each kind. Okay, so it weighs 29.48, and just the booster pack, it weighs 20.17 grams. Okay, let's see what we get. Another Inkay. Okay, so we have Inkay, Togepi, Execute, Natu Half Art, Fletchling, Gallade Spirit Link, Wide Lens, a Fletchinder, Reverse Xatu, and a Salamence Holo. So this isn't too bad. We got, out of the 4 packs we opened, we got 2 EXs, 1 EX Full Art, and 2 Holo Rares. So stay tuned to part 2 of this 11 booster pack opening. Thanks.